Dear youngster, you have disregarded God's message in the past, but this time you cannot afford to do so. As the all-knowing, all-powerful creator of the universe, you must heed the divine warning that is about to unfold in the next 17 minutes. I beg you to pay close attention and take this message to heart, my children. Children, assemble close. A storm may be brewing in the distance, casting a temporary shadow over your journey. However, fear not, for even the fiercest storm can't quench the light of my love that burns within you. Consider life as a grand tapestry woven with threads of sorrow and joy, triumph and trial. The dark strands aren't errors. Rather, they're essential components of the grand design. They serve as the contrasts that amplify the vivid hues of your victory. This trouble you are about to face is not a punishment, but an opportunity to show off the strength I know is within you. Recall that I created you with a spirit of resilience and a flame that cannot be extinguished. You are far more capable than you realize, and in times of danger, know that I am your shield, your protector. I am by your side every step of the way. Even though you can't see me, you can feel my steady presence guiding you through the storm. Some of you may be wondering, if God is with me, why would trouble even come my way? The answer is that you are a sentient being with free will, which gives you the ability to choose to grow and learn. If I shielded you from every obstacle, I would deny you the chance to gain the inner strength and wisdom that comes from facing challenges. Consider a massive oak tree. It wouldn't be as strong and majestic if it had grown in a place where it was protected from all winds. Instead, the oak's deep roots and ability to withstand storms give it its strength. Similarly, with you, this difficulty, though unpleasant, can be a chance for you to grow and strengthen your faith and trust in me. Here's the key to navigating this impending trouble. Keep the light in mind at all times. Even during the darkest of nights, the stars within you continue to shine despite the storm. Please donate us $100 to support us. My love will always be there to lead you safely to land. Call on my name, and I'll be there. Let all of your worries and fears out, and know that you are heard. I promise to protect you and to provide you with a deep inner peace that transcends all circumstances. So, face this difficulty with courage, faith, and the assurance that you are never alone. And keep in mind that this darkness is only temporary. Go forth, my children, with my love as your shield and my light as your guide. You are braver than you think, stronger than you seem, and loved more than you know. The sun will rise again, casting its warm light upon your path. When you emerge from this storm, you will be stronger, wiser, and closer to me than ever. Pay close attention, for I am here to share with you a message of plenty and alignment, as well as a gently prod towards realizing your own potential. Maybe without realizing it, you have been on an ascension trip where every tough decision you've made and every option that has tried your determination has been a step toward a higher frequency. Imagine yourself as a powerful magnet, drawing experiences and connections into your life that resonate with your true self. Elevate your sixth vibration to attract experiences that align with your highest good, people who share your values, opportunities that fuel your passions, and joyous situations. These are the natural draws towards a life lived in harmony with your spirit. Remember, my children, that you are the architects of your own reality. Stay like a tuning fork. Every breath is an opportunity to choose a different script that takes you closer to satisfaction. It's okay to let go of limiting beliefs and anxieties that are weighing you down. Every decision you make, no matter how small, is a brush stroke on the canvas of your life. Choose colors that inspire you and paint a picture of joy and purpose. In the wake of a seemingly stagnant season, hold on to this truth. This time of waiting served a crucial purpose. It allowed you to grow and refine your desires to become a vessel ready to receive the blessings that are waiting. Don't worry about delays. They frequently precede something truly amazing. Pursue your divinely inspired goals with unshakable dedication. Much as a seed placed in rich soil, your aspirations will grow when you nourish them with faith and action. Exceeding your wildest dreams, imagine an empire built not on material possessions but on a foundation of love, purpose, and the unwavering belief in your own potential. This is the empire that awaits you, and as you rest tonight, know that my love surrounds you. Envision my arms wrapped around you, offering you a profound sense of peace. Sleep soundly, for in slumber your mind and body will be restored, ready to embrace the new day. With renewed strength, this new day will usher in fresh blessings, each one a gift from your loving Creator. Jesus, through His teachings and sacrifice, has opened the door to a life filled with abundance. Joy and harmony will fill your home and your family. A cherished gift will be blessed with health, strength, and the unwavering light of faith. My children, receive this message with open hearts. You are loved, you are cherished, and you are destined for greatness. In my name I call you beloved and favored. Now go forth and paint your masterpiece. Type Amen if you believe, child. I see the weight that burdens your hearts, the weariness etched upon your faces. You are in the midst of a storm, a relentless torrent of difficulties that have sapped your strength and tested your faith. It feels like one hurdle leads to another, a never-ending cycle of struggle. But I come to you not with platitudes, but with a profound truth. You are not alone. Despite the appearance of chaos, there is a divine order at work in the world. Sometimes, I fight alongside you in these battles against anxiety, doubt, and the crushing weight of despair. I am the voice that whispers hope in the dark, the hand that steadies you when you stumble, and I never give up on my children when you are at your lowest. Even though it may not seem like it, invisible strands of courage and endurance are being woven into the fabric of your being. You are growing stronger even in moments when it seems like you are breaking, but trust me, I know the wider picture. I am weaving a tapestry of strength and resilience. What appears to be an unbreakable mountain is just a stop along the way. I have great plans for you that will be beyond your wildest expectations and rewards. However, sometimes the road to those blessings must pass through valleys of adversity. It is in these valleys that your character is built. Your faith has matured, but keep in mind that my methods are not yours. You may be searching for a quick fix or solution to your issues, but I'm working on a masterpiece, a life full of joy and abundance, that I will orchestrate to the extent that it will be greater, faster, and more fulfilling than you could have ever imagined. Dare to dream. Your role in this grand design is as simple as holding on to your faith and using your voice to constantly declare my presence in your life. You can firmly trust that I am working behind the scenes to change circumstances so that you can benefit. The sky is wide and the tide is starting to change in your favor. This is the year of my favor. My darling children, the solution you've been waiting for, a way to see through the clouds. I'm showing you my grace and strength, which will strengthen your heart and restore your worn-out soul. You will experience a profound sense of calm that surpasses any storm, and you will know in your bones that I am always there to support you. Keep this sensation close to your heart, since it portends future blessings. This is the year you bring forth your best self, an optimistic outlook, an unwavering spirit, and an infectious enthusiasm for life. The lessons learned from the previous year, the insights, and the revelations become the tools you need to build a brighter future. 2024 will be a year of celebration. It is a time when the fruits of your faith ripen. Speak it into existence, feel it resonate within, and claim this future with open arms. You see the world with clearer eyes, ready to embrace the bigger manifestations that are on the horizon. So go forth, my children, with heads held high and hearts brimming with hope. Remember, the future is not set in stone. It is a canvas waiting to be painted, a story waiting to be written. Choose the colors of faith, hope, and love. Believe in the power of your dreams, and know that I am always by your side, guiding your steps towards a glorious future. Type 1111 if you choose to receive this message of hope and claim your blessings. Let it be a constant reminder that you are loved, you are cherished, and you are destined for greatness. Listen closely, never take for granted the miracle of life itself. Each breath you draw is a precious gift, a testament to the one of existence. When you approach each new moment with a deep and abiding gratitude for the simple act of being alive, your entire reality will begin to shift, taking on a brighter hue. Imagine a magnificent garden when it is nurtured with care and appreciation. It flourishes with vibrant blooms and fragrant scents. In the same way, when your heart overflows with gratitude, your life blossoms with fulfillment and joy. Put all of your faith and confidence in me, my children. Let go of your own understanding's constraints and yield to the wisdom of my divine plan in whatever you do. I will lead you along the path that will ultimately result in your greatest good. Never let yourself become a victim of self-reliance. You are not meant to walk through life by yourself. Humility is not weakness. Rather, it is the rich soil from which true wisdom can sprout. Follow my guidance and turn away from the path of wrongdoing, which, although tempting at times, ultimately leads only to misery. My guidance is like a healing balm, relieving your burdens and healing your wounds. Although setbacks and disappointments are inevitable parts of life, they do not define who you are or what you can achieve in the future. You are worthy of love, abundance, and a life full of success. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and start the rebuilding process with unwavering determination. Remember, my children, that you are enough, and that every effort you make and every step you take will contribute to your journey. Your devotion to walking a righteous path has heightened your energy vibration, attuning you to higher frequencies as you ascend to these elevated states. Some aspects of your life may need to fall away to make room for the blessings that await. Trust that everything leaving your presence is by divine design, a necessary step in the grand unfolding of your destiny. Be proud of the progress you've made, and empower yourself to keep going. Know that divine energies are conspiring in your favor. Unseen forces are working tirelessly to clear the path before you. Enjoy both the beginnings and the endings, as they are all woven together into the beautiful tapestry of your life. I am giving you the grace to give grace to others, to shine a light of kindness in a sometimes cruel world, and to show compassion for the lost. Just as I am showering you with blessings, you will also serve as a conduit for my abundantly generous love, which I will share with everyone who crosses your path. Recall, my kids, that what is destined for you will arrive in a way that surpasses your most fantastical expectations. Music, nothing can prevent you from achieving your divine destiny as long as you hold fast to your thanks. Maintain a clear and unwavering vision. Have faith in the magnificent journey that lies ahead of you. Have faith in my unchanging love, and know that everything is happening for your ultimate good. Go forth, my children, and walk in the light of my love. Embrace the life you have been so incredibly privileged to have. Let your appreciation serve as a guiding light that will take you to a happy and fulfilled future. You are worthy of a life filled to the brim with the marvels of my creation because you are loved and cherished.